Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with layout number 10 for my Christmas catch-up series, or layout a day. And for this series I am starting with a sketch from Scrapbook Generation by Allison Davis, and it's a one-page sketch and it calls for 2 photos, which I have here. I also have previously pulled out these papers. I have 5 different, 6 different papers here to use. There's several strips of paper in the background, and I'm considering, you know, I've had several of these the last couple of days, these big bold prints. I'm considering either cutting these out here and here or using them as a border for whatever background paper I choose. The other thing is I can always flip this over. Even if I fussy cut those out, I can always flip it over and use that as a background in and of itself to border photos. Or I might pull up some additional papers. I don't know yet. But I have 6 different sheets of paper to use, so we'll start off with that. And then I have my sketch along with my photos. And I have pulled in a couple of different sticker sheets and a cut apart sheet. Here are the larger sheets. I pulled it in for some of the words here and possibly to use the smaller sticker sheet for my title, or the smaller font here for my title. I have pulled in these stickers, which I have not used any of, and then I have pulled in this cut apart in which I've used one piece. I have pulled in some additional stickers. I have these word stickers. I have these snow globe stickers, these animal stickers, label stickers, and then these random stickers here. I have these epoxy stickers. I have these Paper Studio, I think. They're Hobby Lobby. Christmas paper crafts. Anywho, there's a whole bunch in here that I pulled to use something from in here if possible, and then again I've pulled this font to create my title. You can see that first sheet I've used a ton of. I've gotten into the second sheet a little bit, and the third sheet I think, no, I haven't used any of that yet. I'm sure I will by the time this layout is done. Anywho, give me a second and I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done. Let me show you the things that I did not use. I have a couple of sticker sheets here that I did not use. I have this cut apart sheet that I didn't end up using. I have these 2 sheets of paper. I thought I was going to cut these flowers out, but I didn't end up doing that. So those will go back into my stash. These are all bits and pieces that I pulled in that weren't originally in the paper selection that I chose. I pulled this in for a little piece of that to create a border strip. This one was from a previous page kit, and I just used the back side to give me a white border for my photos. And then this one I pulled in for a sliver of that to be used as well. I used the gingham paper. I used the gold border strip paper, and then the floral gold paper, floral and black, and then this one with the doors and the windows. So I got pretty good use out of my papers. These are the alphabets that I used, and y'all, I am getting, look at that. I'm using so much of that. I used so much more of this, and I actually broke into this one to use a couple of letter G's from here. So that makes me feel good. I'm getting use of the supplies that I added in. I did use these label stickers. I used actually 4 of them because they were so very thin and transparent that I actually needed to double up so that I could get coverage on them. I used the red bling, the green and white flat back pearls from there. And then, oh, there's a sliver of scrap paper. I used a couple of the banner strips in here from this sticker pack. I used one of the flare from here. I used one of the words from here, and I used a couple of the little present stickers from here. Then from this I used one little, it had a 25 on it, kind of like this one. Like there's a 25 here, but it was a larger little bit that I used. I did use a little photo frame here, a slide shape. So I used the one sticker from here, and here is the layout that I created. I did pull in a scrap piece of paper to use the white background for it, and then I put my border strip paper here, I put the window and door paper here, and then the floral paper here. I put my date, basically my year, at the top because all of my photos that I'm working with are all Christmas Day. Couple little bling bits, and there's that number 25 from that one sticker sheet. The banner strips here. There is the photo slide sticker, the little present, the flare, and the little banner pieces, and the word, and then the bling there. And then you can see I did not have an R for here or for here, so I created them with P's and K's. So I Frankenstein those together to create those R's. Anyway, that is my layout. Number 10 is done, and onward and upward to the next one. So make sure, if you're interested in seeing close-ups of this, stay tuned. I will have close-ups of this layout at the end. Also, if you're interested in seeing the other layouts that I create in this series, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will have a playlist going called December 2022, and it will have all the layouts on there that I create for the month of December. And if you want to be notified every time I put a new layout up, hit that notification bell, and YouTube will notify you when I put a new video up. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.